Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and happy Easter to all. By the time I upload this video it will be Friday, so that is Good Friday. I don't know if you all celebrate it around the world, but we definitely do here in New Zealand. So in today's video I'm testing out the new Maybelline brow tattoos. Now this is a thing that you put on your eyebrow and it's meant to tint them, and then you peel it off and then it leaves a tint on your eyebrows for up to 3 days. Now how amazing does that sound? I recently got my eyebrows tinted probably like 5 weeks ago. They've obviously all faded down now, but how amazing would that be if you just tinted it yourself and saved so much money, and then it lasted 3 days. You just have to do it twice a week and you're sorted. Also, I'm not gonna just be using the Maybelline brow tattoo in this video. I'm also going to be using some of the Maybelline brow products, some of the new releases that are coming out or that are already out. So in New Zealand you can get Maybelline from selected pharmacies and department stores and also Farmers NZ. My eyebrows are actually kind of full natural. This is with no product in them. The only thing is this brow is lower and this one's more fuller in the front and this one's not. I do have all blonde hairs all around here, so when they are tinted they are far more even and they look better natural. And I want perfect brows when I'm natural because I do go to work and I don't wear makeup anymore, and it just saves so much time not having to do your eyebrows. So let's see if the Maybelline brow tattoo is worth it. Let's see if it works. So by the way, I'll leave down below in the description how long this brow tattoo did last for, and if it went patchy and, you know, if it lasted longer than 3 days, shorter, I'll just let you know that information down below in the description because this is the first time trying it in this video. So yes. So Maybelline and PR, which is an amazing PR company in New Zealand, sent this massive Maybelline brow kit, and they do such awesome PR packages. Whenever I receive one I'm like, oh my god, I'm like so spoiled. So here it is. It says the perfect eyebrow kit by Maybelline, step up your eyebrow game. Now that's very exciting. So I'm sure all of these products would have released by now by the time I upload this video, so yes, how exciting. And I love Maybelline products. They are such a high quality brand for, you know, affordable prices, and they're easily available so you can get your hands on them quite easily, which is handy. So look how amazing this PR package is. Like, that's crazy. There's so much brow pencils and brow crayons and brow tattoos. There's eyebrow concealers, there's eyebrow powder palettes, there's brow setting gels, there's also some tweezers and a sharpener in there, and then it's got all of the products up there and what you can do. And there's a picture of the brow tattoo and how it works. So you can see there, it's like a black product and you peel it off and then it goes to your colour. So you want to pluck your eyebrows first before you put on the brow tint, just to make sure that they're all tidied up and you don't tint any unwanted hairs. I'm going to use the Maybelline Brow Precise in the shade Blonde. This has got a spoolie on the end and that's what we want to use now. So I'm just going to tuck my hair behind my ears, and what you want to do is grab an eyebrow spoolie and you just want to like brush your hairs all in place just so you are tinting the right thing. Okay, by the looks of it here we've got 4 shades in the Maybelline Tattoo Brow Gel Tint. So these are all quite dark shades. I don't know how this will go on my blonde eyebrows, but we will see. So we've got the shade Light Brown, which is the lightest colour. Then we've got the shade Medium Brown here. And then we've got the shade Grey Brown. And then we've got the shade Dark Brown. Okay, so here it goes. I'm using light brown. So the applicator looks like this. It looks like an eyeliner applicator or something, and it looks like a really jelly, sticky formula. So on the little box instructions it says apply to brow for 20 minutes to 2 hours. Okay, I didn't realize you had to leave it on that long. And then it says correct any mistakes within 20 minutes after application. Oh, this scares me. Have I got the right colour? Yes, light brown. God, I hope I don't get this wrong. Okay, I don't know how much to layer it up, but for an easy peel off, I'm gonna layer it up quite a bit. This brow's much lower, the hair, so I'm not going to go past that point, as in it would look blinking ridiculous. Okay, so the hardest part, I'm just going to fill in the top here now. Okay, so I'm really just working it in now and making sure my brows are as even as possible. So this is currently what it looks like. It looks very scary. I think I did a pretty good job with the like even application though. This one is naturally thicker than this one in the front. I didn't want to do this one too much thicker, otherwise my skin would have been quite tinted in that area and I don't want it to look fake when I'm natural, if you know what I mean. So yeah, it says to leave it on for 20 minutes to up to 2 hours. So I'm gonna leave it on for probably half an hour just because I don't want them to go like extremely dark or anything, because my eyebrows are quite naturally blonde. So it's been about half an hour, 40 minutes long. I'm gonna peel this off and see what is underneath. I'm a bit nervous, but we will see how this goes. Okay, so let's see if this is easy to peel. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Oh my gosh, look underneath, that's crazy. Wow. Wow, wow. At the ends, it's hard to get out. I just need to like pull it out. Oh my gosh, this is crazy to me. It seriously looks like I just filled in my eyebrows. I'm going to brush it out with the eyebrow spoolie just to get out any extra bits that might be lurking. Look at the difference. I'm so glad it didn't dry darker than this. This is like the perfect colour. This is the colour my eyebrows would be filled in anyway. That is amazing. It looks like I just filled in my eyebrows. If this lasts 3 days, I'm going to be obsessed. Like, this will be my whole go-to product. This is insane. Like, I can't believe these results. Like, I thought that was going to be so faded and not even work. I wonder what they even put in this product. I don't know if it would look funny on those of you who are like extremely pale, and these obviously wouldn't suit people with like ginger hair and stuff, so this would only be suitable for people with like blonde hair and dark brown to black hair. It's not like messy or anything. The peel off thing was actually easy to take off. It looks like I've literally just got my brows done at the salon. Like, this is insane. This is going to save me so much money. I can see that now. I'm definitely going to use this a lot more, and as I said, I'll let you guys know how it lasts down below in the description. If this lasts 3 days, like, oh my gosh, that is so amazing. Especially if you're like going on a trip or away on holiday and you don't want like to get your brows microbladed and all that business. This is like a perfect alternative. All you need to do is draw it on evenly, and if you have like no brows, you could even use a brow stencil and do this. But yeah, I am so impressed. This is like the perfect color as well. I was worried that it was going to be too dark. Now what I'm going to do is use the Maybelline Brow Drama in transparent. I could use medium brown and all those other colors, but why when my eyebrows are already tinted? So this is what the brush looks like, and this is what the Brow Drama looks like. So I'm going to be putting this on my brows just to keep all the hairs in place. I always put on a brow gel it's like a really weird shape. The ball is in the front and then you can use the like wand. I don't know why they made it like that. Like, I personally think they could have just had the straight wand, but you know, anything to be different and fancy. So now I'm going to try the Maybelline Prophesize Perfecting Highlighter. And this is in the shade Light 300. Here it is. And in this PR kit it does come with 2 other shades. So here they all are. So this one is light, this one is medium, and this one is deep. So obviously this would suit darker skin tones as well because this is a brow highlight, so it's meant to be like really light. So there are all the shades. I'm going to use light obviously because I'm still quite fair and I do like a good brow highlight underneath. It's really like smooth and creamy from what I can feel, which is actually quite impressive. I didn't think it would be like this. And I always do this to define the brows and just to make, oh gosh. I don't really like this applicator, but the product itself is amazing. And if you don't like this applicator, you can easily just put some on a brush. It would be handy if that concealer came with a brush because you always need to blend it in. But anyway. That just made them look so much more defined. I really like that concealer. It's quite creamy and it blends in quite well. So I love this product so much. This would be perfect for those of you guys who have uneven brows or sparse brows because it does like fill them in as if you've like drawn them, because it does tint the skin as well as the hairs. This is perfect for those of you guys who go to a beauty salon and get them tinted. You can save so much money. When I got mine done it was like 28 New Zealand dollars, and getting that every month is quite expensive. So doing it yourself at home and doing the shape you want is like perfect. And it's so easy. And this is also perfect for those of you guys who have been thinking of getting your brows microbladed. This is a much more affordable option, and it's a pain-free option. And this is also perfect for those of you guys who want to look put together when you're natural, say for your work, or if you're away on holiday, or if you're staying over at someone's house. You're gonna have perfect brows even without any brow product on. So I really like this. I can't wait for you guys to try it out as well. If you have tried this and you do like it, definitely let me know down below in the comments, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more reviews like this one, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Help me get to 40,000 subscribers. We are nearly there. That is so crazy to me. And I'm doing a big giveaway at 40,000 subscribers too. Like, it's going to be the massivest giveaway that you've ever seen. So I hope you guys have a great week, and I'll see you guys in my next week's video. Bye!